Kimchu.
Okay, very good. Madam, sa kabila din man sa nila, madam. Okay, again, dito po. Everyone!
Good morning guys! This is day 4 po ng Korean trip po namin. Ang first stop of this day is Seoul Tower. Nandito po kami sa may baba po. Pupunta po kami sa may top po, papunta sa tower using cable car. Nandito po kami nila Kuya Brian po and mga other people na kasama po namin. While waiting po dito sa ground, nagpicture po kami dito sa my side po, which is my store po full of locks po where you can buy po, and pag nakapunta na po kayo sa may taas, you can lock po sa may parang fence po nila. Inayos na po ni na Kuya Brian po yung parang ticket po namin papunta po sa taas. So, nandito na po tayo on the way po sa may cable car po. While going up the stairs po, it was really nice because there were very open windows po all along po sa stairs. So, it was nice seeing the beautiful city of Seoul here po sa may South Korea. Okay guys, nandito lang po tayo sa may cable car. Masyado masikip po in my opinion po. Pero it makes sense po kasi kaya naman po ng cable car ng this amount of tao po. So very time efficient po siya. Dito po sa may cable car, makita niyo po yung views po. Very nice din po. As you can see po, kita po natin yung other part po ng Seoul po, which is yung parang suburban areas where parang may parang barangay or town, and may roads po and parang forest area na hindi po masyado may buildings, which is very nice po.
Imagination, right? Tomorrow we have staying the upper floor, 11, 12 floor, right? Good viewpoint, right? Become your hotel, right? Yeah, I request for the Royal Country Club was to stay in the very upper floor. Pay the money for 1 hour, 11,000 won for 1 hour. If you bring all your luggage, bring the one room number. If you have 6 people, right? If you use from one room or something, all your luggage there, right? 11,000 won for 1 hour, right? 20,000 won for you can check out until 1 o'clock. But no need to extension of your room number, right? You pay all your money. You can, if you have 6 people, right? 1 room is enough, right? Because I stay at 1 room, the luggage, something, right? Yeah. Just let me know. How many people need that? Or you can ask for the hotel staff tomorrow before 9 o'clock. Yeah. Because many people, last time the many people are just late check out until 1 o'clock. So you pay 22,000 Korean won. This one we've been here, right? Shilla Hotel, Basketball Stadium. We went to Shilla Duty Free Shop. Remember? To Shilla, we've been there. On by Samsung. If you stayed overnight here, this breakfast very nice. How much?
Okay guys, nandito na po tayo sa may taas po na part. Wala na po tayo sa cable car. Kakalabas lang po namin dito po. Ito po. Thank you po ate at kuya. Ito po kami sa may station po sa may taas po ng parang mountain. I mean, di ko alam kung mountain siya pero medyo mataas. So parang mini na mountain, mga medium size. Very excited po for this part po kasi madami kami po nakitang mga pictures na dun po sa may top po ng Seoul Tower po. It was really, really beautiful po. So, very excited po kami doon. Hindi lang po kami excited na, yung walking po pataas. Medyo masakit po mag-walk po pataas. While walking po, the atmosphere and the sceneries were very, very beautiful po. There were trees and kitang-kita po namin yung Seoul Tower po nagpo-poke. Sadly po na hindi po pwede, I think, pumasok po sa pinaka-top because I think may inaayos po sila. Ito po yung mga love locks yung sinasabi ko po kanina na isa po siyang fence then full of locks na pwede po kayo mag-buy po dun sa baba, or I think you can bring your own naman po. Before going to the top area, we decided to take pictures here po sa may part po na may fence po full of hearts and may seatable area po. Nagpahinga po kami ng konti dahil medyo mataas nga po yung lakad po.
진짜 너무 웃겨. 아까 그 사진 찍었을 나 엄마 말 안 들을 거야.
There were a lot of good spots for photos. We did pictures po dito sa may parang garden area where you can sit po near the plants, and sa may parang broken bench po where may signage po na sabi Seoul Tower, and kita po yung Seoul Tower. And also here po sa may parang isang pole po na may mga sign where nakapoint po sa where po yung country na direction. In this area po of the top, there was shops, pero we didn't explore too much here po kasi the main attraction po is yung tower. So, ayun po. We also saw like a big heart po with words on it. So, we took pictures, each pictures po dito sa may part po na ito. It was really fun po, and it was really nice walking po from this area. It was filled with people po, but not too much po na crowded po siya. If you have a partner in a relationship with, or like a girlfriend, or you're married, it's a really nice place to go here. It's full of very fun stuff to do, and you can buy locks and lock it on the fence. As you can see po, sa sobrang taas po namin dito ay kita po namin ang hotel po namin, which is yung Miglior Hotel po sa Myeongdong. Shoutout po sa Purple Kites po for finding a really nice hotel po sa amin. While going down po dito sa may cable car po, I wanted to talk about our experiences po dito po sa Korea so far. So far po, to be honest po for you, it was really, really nice po. Very fun po sa family po namin dito. It's really sad na ano po, yung bunso po namin kapatid, sadly po dahil too young pa po siya. Hindi po namin nakasama po dito. Pero next time po, when she's older po, matik po kasama po yun sa mga trips po namin with family. Here we are po sa may next stop po din natin po for the day. Dito po tayo sa may Seaweed and Kimchi Museum. It was really nice po going here po because I really like kimchi po. At hindi lang po siya museum. I think they can teach you how to make kimchi and show you the process po in making seaweed po. So it was very nice po. There was also like shops po where you can buy kimchi or seaweed po with different flavors and stuff. So if you want kimchi or kimchi lover po kayo or seaweed lover, must go po dito.
Compress po! Compress po! Compress po! 1 year, right? Compress po! Compress po!
Everyone, kapag hindi naman ang sauce, mas maraming sauce yung nilalagay sa parang kernel ng ating cabbage kasi matigas ito na part. So kailangan mas maraming sauce yung nilalagay dito para mas ma-absorb din niya yung flavor ng ating sauce.
While making kimchi po, may instructor po instructing us in how to properly make kimchi po. I think yung ingredients po ay sinabi din po. I think like like pepper, and I think may apple, something like that po. Hindi ko po masyado remember. But it was really fun po making kimchi. I think yung pinagawa po sa amin is like may parang I think tawag doon cabbage, and like yung kimchi na parang paste na ginawa po nila. I think may specific na instructions na hindi ko na follow. Ang ginawa ko na lang po is like kinuha ko yung paste and nihugas ko yung cabbage using punon, which is really fun po. Medyo messy nga po sa hand, so at least lahat po kami dito may plastic po na gloves po. Let's talk about kimchi. Kimchi po dito, like sa Korea compared po sa I think yung in-import naman po sa may groceries po sa Philippines is like galing Korea naman. So wala pong masyadong different yung taste unless like isa pong establishment or restaurant na gumagawa po ng sarili pong kimchi. Pag ganun po, may slight difference naman po yung taste po nila. Pero overall, yung kinain ko pong kimchi po dito sa may Korea is almost the same lang naman po. So, unless may like establishment may gumagawa ng sariling kimchi, I think same naman yung place po.
Kimchi. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!
Kimchu!
Okay, very good. Ito sa kanila din magpahira, madama. Okay, again, dito po. Kailan, dito po siya.
After making kimchi po, pumunta po kami sa other room full of products made of seaweed po, and isa pong Filipino na personnel po nila dito ay in-explain po sa amin po na kung paano gamitin and like saan pwede gamitin ang seaweed po. More din silang different kind of flavors na hindi ko po nakikita sa mga stores dito po sa may Philippines, which is very nice kasi tinaste po namin almost lahat. After that po, nandito po kami sa may isa pong bibimbap na place po. Actually, itong place po is like kalapit lang po nung seaweed and kimchi cuisine. So, nag-walk lang kami outside ng isang parang exit po sa likod and pumasok po kami dito sa may bibimbap parang restaurant po.
Lai.
After a very satisfying meal po, nandito po kami sa may Red Pine Outlet po. Isa po siyang museum type of building where you can learn more about and see red pine trees, or I think yung liquid po sa loob po nila. Also, after that, pupunta po kami sa may Amethyst Jewelry Shop po. Here po is sa Korea. Parang po yung Amethyst po sa Korea is yung jade po, parang sa China. Here naman po sa may Hongdae Street Shopping, we saw a shoe store where like may sale po sila. So pumunta kami ng tatay ko po. Nakita po namin may very fairly priced po na shoes po dito. So if you're near the area po dito when you come, mas punta po dito if shoe lover po kayo. We took some pictures po sa may side po ng road while waiting for the bus. And nag-explore din kami dito sa may part po ng market po where like may mga miscellaneous po na stuff nagsasell po sa mga shop and stalls. It was really nice. Hindi naman ganun ka-crowded po siya pero madami pa rin po tao nakikita po namin dito. It was really nice na vibe po, especially yung I think weather po dahil in this time of day medyo pa like hapon na po siya. To be honest po, we're just passing time here. Di po namin alam ano gagawin po namin dito. So nag-explore lang kami, nag-sightseeing po at nag window shopping po dito. I think my sister bought something related sa K-pop. Hindi po ako very knowledgeable po doon. So yeah. I didn't buy anything and my parents didn't really buy anything. We didn't see something that we were interested in. But while walking, we saw something really, really interesting. It was like a pole or pillar filled with like stickers and stuff. So we added our sticker, the Team Lopez sticker that I made and my father edited, and we took pictures from it. After the market, here we have Han River. It was a really nice place po for this time of day po. I think sabi po ni Kuya Brian, very often po nandito po yung mga families and other people po when it's like weekends po siya or magwi-weekends. Isang good spot po siya for like chilling out po lang. Nandito po, I think, may malapit naman po na food, pero I think hindi po namin na-check yon. Nag-walk po lang kami dito. Very high po siya na parang slope po pataas and tabi po siya ng Han River nga po. It was very nice po and very relaxing po just walking with the family po and having a good time. While chilling here po, we were talking about po yung mga activities na gusto po namin gawin po bukas because bukas po is our last day po dito sa Korea. So, very exciting din po siya. Kasi hindi po siya plan, unlike po si Kuya Brian na kasama po namin, tinutour po kami sa other famous places po dito. Ay buong day po is free for us. So kami po yung magde-decide what to do, where to go, and ano po yung pwede namin gawin po. Sa day 5 po namin. After Han River, of course, parang si Batman, gising pa kami sa gabi. Nandito po kami sa may Myeongdong Market po ulit, street market. Na nakita po namin tong very colorful po na parang market po. I think yung name po is Pop Stage, full of collectible blind boxes po siya and stuff po. Very happy po yung sister ko po dito kasi mahilig po siya sa gantong type of stuff. We didn't really buy anything. Also, the line was really, really long. It was full of collectors and stuff. And sa may labas po, nakita namin, I think may parang resellers.